Our high temperature reached 61 degrees this afternoon. That is the warmest temperature we've had in more than 2 weeks. But it didn't last long because now the colder air is on the way and we have a weather impact alert through the entire day Sunday and into the first half of the day Monday because of the bitterly cold temperatures that are expected and the very cold wind chills. A very sharp contrast to what we had today across the area. So we want folks to be prepared. You'll need to be ready to dress very warmly, wearing all the layers, the hats, the gloves, the scarves, everything you can do to help retain that body heat. Make sure you protect your pets as well. Go ahead and bring them in tonight because it's going to be a lot colder tomorrow morning than it is right now, and make sure you use safe heating sources. If you will be using a space heater, make sure you keep it well away from flammable objects and just be smart and be safe with this cold weather that we have moving in. There are cold weather alerts all the way from the U.S.-Canadian border down to the Gulf Coast and over to the coastal Carolinas here because of this extremely cold air that is moving in from the northwest here, and that does include our entire viewing area. We have cold weather advisories for all of our counties. They start at different times and they're for different criteria, but the bottom line is it is expected to get very cold by tomorrow morning and stay that way all the way through the day Sunday, getting even colder Sunday night into Monday morning. And it's not just the actual air temperatures, it's the wind chills too that's really going to make it dangerously cold to be outside at times. There is also a chance for some precipitation. Some light rain initially might change over to kind of a rain-snow mix or some sleet mixed in there, but really the dry air is going to get here before the cold air does. So as that moisture exits, we're not going to have a lot of precipitation with this event. It's more going to be about the drastically cold air that's going to be moving in. That's why we have the weather impact alert. So tomorrow, we're going to get down into the mid-20s by Sunday morning. Not get above freezing Sunday afternoon despite the sunshine. And this is what it's going to feel like. Even during the warmest time of the day, our wind chills are still going to feel like the teens. And as soon as that sun sets, our wind chills will go down into the single digits. This is Sunday evening, so you're not going to want to be out after sunset. And then the wind chills stay in the single digits all the way into Monday morning, for example, when kids are heading out to the bus stop. So that's why we really want to keep that weather impact alert in effect through the first half of the day on Monday. We'll get back up into the mid-30s Monday afternoon. That's still not warm, but it's better than tomorrow is going to be, and the winds will be lighter by that point too. Quick warming trend after that. We're back up above average by midweek. By Thursday, we could be talking about highs back near 60 degrees, and that will be when our next rain chances come back into the forecast. For right now, though, get prepared for the cold air. It's going to be moving in overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow.